In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up window in Power BI. This can be incredibly useful for creating interactive experiences and enhancing the way viewers engage with your data. Let's dive right in and break down the steps needed to accomplish this task. First, you'll want to navigate to the View tab located at the top of the Power BI interface. From there, click on Bookmarks to open up the Bookmarks pane, which you'll find situated on the right side of your screen. With this pane open, it's time to add two bookmarks. These bookmarks will serve distinct purposes. One will be designated for when the pop-up is open, and the other for when it's closed. Once you've established these bookmarks, it's important to right-click on each of them. When you do, make sure to enable Selected Visuals on both, while disabling Data and Current Page. This ensures that your bookmarks function specifically with the visuals you choose, without affecting other data or pages, which is crucial for keeping your report organized. With our bookmarks set, we can now move on to creating the pop-up itself. Start by inserting a rectangle that covers the entire screen. This will act as the background layer of your pop-up. You can set its color to black and adjust the transparency to 50% to create a dimmed effect, bringing attention to the actual pop-up content. Feel free to experiment with colors and transparency if you want it to better match your report's design. Following that, insert another rectangle, which will serve as the main area where your pop-up content will reside. Here, it's essential to ensure that this pop-up rectangle takes precedence in the visual order. You can do this by adjusting its position in the selection pane, making sure it's at the top. Next, you'll want to select both rectangles by using the control-click method. Once both are highlighted, right-click and select the option to group them in the selection pane. This makes it easy to manage and toggle the pop-up. Now, head over to the selection pane, right-click on the group you just created, and select the pop-up open bookmark. Choose Update to save its current state. Afterwards, select the group again, hide it, and with the group still selected, right-click on the pop-up closed bookmark and choose Update as well. To make the pop-up functional, we need to add buttons that will allow users to open and close it. Click on Insert at the top of your screen, then go to Buttons. Hover over Navigator and select Bookmark Navigator. This tool will help you easily switch between open and closed states of your pop-up. Optionally, if you want more control, you can add individual buttons to each bookmark and configure their actions to switch between one bookmark state and the other. Remember, grouping them properly will keep everything neat and functional. And that's it. You've successfully created a dynamic pop-up in Power BI. Happy reporting and enjoy the newfound interactivity.